大家好，我叫韩真爱. Hi, my name is Janai, and today we're going to talk about 钱 or money. So the Chinese currency is called RMB, which stands for 人民币. 人民means people, and 币 means currency or money. So RMB, we use this symbol to demonstrate RMB in the language. So exchange rate is 汇率, and the exchange rate is $1 to 6.32 kuai or yuan, and that is right here. So the formal monetary units that we use for money in China is yuan, jiao, and fen. So yuan is equivalent to $1 in China, and then jiao is dime, and fen is cent. So you'll usually see these monetary units written in stores and on price tags. They're not as commonly spoken out as they are seen written down. And to remind you, those are yuan, jiao, and fen. So in colloquial speech, instead of the formal yuan, instead we'll say kuai. And instead of jiao, we'll say mao. So the structure of when speaking is number, kuai, and then another number, and mao. So an example of this is this number. How do we say this? It's 6块8毛8. 6块8毛8. So notice in orange we have the number, and then in green we have the measure word. So in the US, normally we'll see $6.99, $5.99, all that. But in China, they'll often use double eights because 8 in Chinese is ba, and ba kind of sounds like fa, and fa cai is a common thing you'll hear, and it means to have a lot of wealth or to have good fortune. So it's a lucky number. Just as 10 dimes equals $1 here in the US, 10 jiao or mao equal 1 yuan or 1 kuai. And also fen is hardly ever used and is becoming obsolete, so you'll usually just see yuan and jiao. So don't forget the structure we have above on the screen, and how do we say this number. So in orange we have the number, and in green we have the measure word. So this is 28块6毛. And you'll see the paper money form is 20, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28块6毛. 28块6毛. In a past lesson, you've learned about liang and how to use it. So to remind you, in this case, just with money, like kuai, mao, and fen, they kind of act as measure words. So when using liang, it has to be followed by a measure word. Otherwise, you can't say it. If the smallest unit is 2, like this number, if you're using liang to demonstrate that, it has to be followed by a measure word. So this first example, 2块2毛, is correct because liang, the number, is followed by mao. In the second example, we have 2块2, and this is also correct. Third example down here, 2块2. This is incorrect because liang, it's 2 of something, so it's lacking the mao or the measure word. And next we're going to talk about ling, which is 0. So when a number has a 0 in it, you have to speak it out. In this first example, we say 109块9毛. So 100 is 100, and then ling is the 0 that you have to say. 9 块9毛. In this next example, it's also the same. So 487块 0.08分. So in orange we have a number, in green we have the measure word, and then 0 in blue you have to speak it out. So that's kind of a different thing than English. So in this last example, 487 is the number 487, 487, 0, 0, 8 分, 8 分. So some real life examples, I guess. This first one says, 在星巴克买大杯拿铁30块钱. So at Starbucks, to buy a grande latte is 30 kwai, which is kind of a lot. In the second example, it says, 买2个麦当劳香芋派才7块钱. So to buy 2 taro root pies at McDonald's is only 7 kwai. So yeah, there's that. And then at local noodle places, if you look at this menu here, you'll see for our first example, it says 牛肉面12块一碗. So beef noodles are 12 kwai a bowl. And then our second example here says 老北京炸酱面8块一碗. So a bowl of Beijing style fried bean sauce noodles is 8 kwai for one bowl. 馄饨呢? What about 馄饨, which is wontons? So if you want to pause the video right now, you can look on the menu and see if you can find 馄饨, wontons. How much is a bowl of 馄饨? If you pause the video and you played it again, you'll see that 一碗馄饨8块钱. 一碗馄饨8块钱. So a bowl of wontons is 8 kwai. And that's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见.